The common moorhen is a medium-sized water bird often seen gliding through ponds and marshes, instantly recognizable by its dark plumage and bright red frontal shield. History. The common moorhen has a vast natural range across Europe, Asia, Africa, and parts of the Americas. It has adapted over centuries to live in freshwater marshes, lakes, canals, and slow-moving rivers. Historical mentions of the bird go back to ancient European literature, often describing its secretive behavior and vivid coloration. The species has also spread to many tropical islands due to accidental introductions or natural expansion. Over time, the common moorhen became a familiar figure in rural and urban wetlands across continents. Health issues. Moorhens are hardy in the wild, but can face health challenges in captivity. These include parasites, like lice and worms, bumblefoot, and respiratory infections if housed in wet, unclean conditions. Stress and injury can also occur if they are kept with aggressive birds or lack sufficient hiding areas. Like ducks, they require access to clean water and natural vegetation to maintain feather condition and avoid behavioral stress. Egg-laying production. During the breeding season, usually from spring to late summer, a female common moorhen lays between 6 to 10 eggs per clutch and may produce 2 to 3 clutches per season. The eggs are brownish speckled, and both parents share incubation duties over about 19 to 22 days. While prolific in their natural setting, they are not used for egg production in farming or backyard setups. Availability. The common moorhen is widely found in the wild and protected in many countries under conservation laws. Though not common in the pet trade, captive-bred individuals may be available through licensed avicultural breeders, especially in Europe and the US. However, due to their wild nature, they are typically kept only in wildlife parks, aviaries, and private wetland collections under regulated conditions. Hardiness. These birds are adaptable and highly resilient, thriving in both tropical and temperate climates. They can withstand periods of drought and cold as long as some aquatic habitat remains. In managed settings, they require space to swim, forage, and hide. Moorhens are also excellent climbers and runners, often roosting in low trees and shrubs. Their ability to escape predators and environmental stressors contributes to their wide distribution. Traits and price. The common moorhen has dark slate-gray plumage with white undertail markings, greenish legs, and a vivid red beak with a yellow tip and red frontal shield. Adults typically weigh between 300 to 500 grams, 0.6 to 1.1 pounds. Their behavior is semi-secretive yet active, often seen foraging along the water's edge or swimming with jerky movements. Because they are not considered ornamental in the same way as ducks or swans, they are rarely sold, but when they are, captive-bred pairs may cost between $80 to $150, depending on region and permit requirements. Lifespan. In the wild, common moorhens typically live 3 to 5 years, though individuals in safe, captive environments have been known to live up to 10 years. Survival depends greatly on predation, habitat quality, and access to food. In captivity, their lifespan can be extended with proper care, protection, and enriched environments that mimic their natural wetland habitat.